Ever thought of using banana peels on your natural hair? After watching today's video, I bet you would not want to throw them away again, especially after seeing the incredible results that this hack delivers. What's up, my beautiful people? Good day, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, hi, you're highly welcome. And to my returning viewers, you guys, you know you're the bedrock of this channel, so thank you very much for always coming back. So in today's video, I am going to be testing out a powerful hair growth mix made with banana peel, cloves and cinnamon. 3 ingredients that you probably already have at home. So I'm just going to be slicing my banana peels into a very clean jar. If your jar is not clean, please make sure that it is clean, okay? And banana peels are packed with potassium and antioxidants, which are known to boost hair strength and moisture and even promote faster hair growth. More on the benefits of banana later. Right now, I am going to be adding inside my banana peel, I'm going to be adding cinnamon. All right, so cinnamon helps to boost hair follicle for thicker hair. I added 2 sticks of cinnamon, and the next thing that I'm going to be adding is my clove. All right, cloves are highly beneficial for scalp health, and plus it also helps to stimulate blood circulation. For the purpose of this video, I am going to be counting the pieces of cloves that I added, just to give you like a clue of the quantity to add in case you decide to try this recipe. Okay, so I added about 30 to 40 pieces. I counted 38 pieces, which means if you're going to add, you can add about 30 to 40 pieces of cloves. Okay, now I am going to pour hot water into my jar. I know that this process can also be boiled for at least 10 minutes and then proceed to using it. However, if you've been following me, you know that I prefer infusion method for my DIYs, right? As much as I can. So for that purpose, we are infusing this for at least 24 hours or more than. Now I infused mine for about 40 hours or so, because I started the process on Monday evening and I left it till Wednesday afternoon, and this was the result. This was how it was looking like after Wednesday, after infusing it for more than 24 hours. All right guys, a pro tip is to make sure that you cover the jar that you'll be using very tightly. If you're going to be using infusion method, please make sure that you're covering your jar very tightly. If the jar is not properly covered, air is going to penetrate and is going to disrupt your infusion and make it to go bad so quickly. Okay, if you don't want to take this long process, the next thing that you can do is to boil it. Just boil it on a low flame for at least 10 minutes. Allow it to cool down a little bit and strain your mixture, and it is ready to use. But like I said, I prefer infusion. Now this is what my hair was looking like, guys. I was really very excited to like try this mixture on my hair, because I've been seeing this and I'm like, I think I've even tried it once. I can't remember if I did. It must be long, because I can't even remember what my hair felt like again. So anyway, I said let me try it again, right? Or I said let me try it afresh. I can't recall if I've tried it before. Somehow deep down I'm feeling like I've tried it before, but I can't recall. Anyway, so this is what my hair was looking like, right? My hair was really dry and crunchy, and one of the benefits of banana is the fact that it adds moisture. Like, it helps with hydration. Of course, it contains potassium, which is like rich in hydration or whatever. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be using this banana mixture to saturate my hair. Okay, banana peel mixture. If I say banana mixture, you already know, right? So I'm just going to be applying it, spraying it on my hair, and then running my finger through. Guys, the number one thing that I noticed when applying this to my hair is the fact that it actually softens my hair. I can assure you that this hair, I literally abandoned my hair for like close to 2 weeks or so without any form of moisture. So my hair was particularly very dry, very dry, and this banana peel is doing such a great job bringing my hair back to life. Okay, and you would notice at the end that the elasticity of my hair improved. All right, So I would want to speak more on the benefits of this banana peel in case you're still like doubting, so that you will try it. But before then, did you know that banana peels are often considered more nutrient dense because they contain a higher concentration of certain minerals such as potassium, magnesium, manganese, and even antioxidants. So this means that banana peels are richer in nutrients compared to banana flesh. Like they all have like different nutrients. I mean, they all offer different things to the hair, but I feel like banana peel are packed with more nutrients compared to the banana flesh. All right, so with this knowledge in mind, let's explore more of the benefits of banana. So like I said earlier, banana peel is rich in potassium, right? And potassium helps to promote healthy hair growth, and it also contains vitamins such as vitamin B12, vitamin B6, which is essential for nourishing the scalp and supporting hair regeneration. Now banana peel contains amino acid, guys, which help promote stronger hair follicles and reducing hair shedding over time. Like, these things are natural ingredients. To see results, you just have to be consistent. Trust me, my hair looks better now compared to before. 2 to 3 months ago, let's say 3 months ago or thereabout, I was at the verge of cutting my hair. Like, I was done with the thinning hair and all, and I thought that the only option for me would have been to cut my hair. But look at me now. Look at how full and thick my hair has become. And this happened because I took a decision. Like, I made a decision to start taking care of my hair, and ever since I made that decision, my hair has changed. Like, I'm not joking. So I'm not coming here to share with you recipes that I've never tried or that I've never researched on. When I heard about this banana peel, I decided to go more in depth, and these benefits that I'm sharing with you are the benefits that I got from my research. Okay, all right, so let's proceed. Now, the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties in banana peels helps to combat dandruff and itchy scalp. Also, it is loaded with antioxidants, which helps to protect the hair from environmental damage and improves elasticity and strengthen the hair. So these are just a few of the benefits that I was able to jot down for the purpose of this video. There are a whole lot of other benefits. I also saw that banana peel contains fiber. It has a whole lot of benefits. All right, guys, so I would love for you to do your little research if you're going to be trying this, or if you are still in doubt. This is natural, like all natural. There is no side effect, I don't think, unless you are allergic to it. If you are not allergic, I promise you it is 100% natural, which means you are safe. You are safe to try it. Okay, you are safe. If you are in doubt whether it's going to work or not, try it first and see how it works. If it doesn't work out for your hair, if you feel like, oh, all the things that you read about it that is not giving you the results, then you stop. I mean, there is no harm in trying in the first place, and if you try it, you wouldn't know how well it will perform on your hair unless you actually try it. All right, so any DIY recipe that you see, instead of doubting, why not just try it and see? I mean, that's what I do. If I discover any new thing, if it's within my reach, best believe that I'm trying it out. Who knows, it might become my new favorite. All right, guys, so I'm actually thinking of going on a challenge with banana peel, like banana peel every day on my hair for complete 7 days. You guys, what do you think about that? That means I have to buy a lot of banana. But anyway, if you want me to go on that challenge pretty soon, like, it's already on my mind, but I don't know if I'm going to be pursuing it sooner. But if you indicate interest for me to try it, let me try it out for you to see. If you want me to try it out more for you to see, let me know in the comment section. All right, and trust me, I'm definitely going to be trying it, doing the challenge sooner than later if you indicate interest. Alright, guys, so here are a few ways that you can use this mixture or this hair mix on your hair. You can actually use it as a leave-in conditioner, right, where you apply it on your hair just the way that I am doing it in this video. but once you're done, you follow up with your sealant, like your butter or your oil, or you can use it as a pre-poo treatment, which is what I am doing in this video. So I'm about to wash my hair, right? And so I am using this mixture as a pre-poo treatment, and I'm also using it to detangle my hair. So once I am done applying this mixture, the next thing that I'm going to do is to cover my hair with a cellophane cap, right? And then I'm going to leave it to sit for maybe like 1 hour, and then I'll go to the bathroom and wash my hair. Okay guys, let me know if you'll be trying this mixture. All right, will you be trying it? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, my loves, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content such as this one. All right, like come your way next time. My name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.